Wanted to collect some cans for a future project. I wasn't sure where I wanted to mount it, so I decided to build a little stand to put it on. And this video is going to cover what I did to make it. I had an old piece of kitchen worktop left over from a previous project, so I decided to use that. So I marked out the edge that I wanted to cut off and just lay the track saw along that edge and then just trim that off. So I was just setting the depth of a cut on the track saw, which is quite neat. And then just cut that section off. And that looked like a good point to cut off to make the base. So just measure that, draw a line across, and again use the track saw to cut that piece off. I probably should have used a chop saw for that. And that fit nicely. One thing I wasn't happy about though was the angle of that, so I decided to set the blade to 10 degrees and then just chop that off again, and then that would make that sit at an angle. And I think that would just make it easier to load the cans and just give it a little bit extra strength. Yep, that would clear. So just mark up the bottom section, transfer the line so I could see where I need to drill the screw holes to put the base onto the top section. So I want the drill bit just to go through, just and no more. So drill the 4 pilot holes for the screws, and because the can crusher is going to be sitting on top of a table, I want to countersink the holes so that the screws don't damage the work surface. So I'll just mark out the holes for where I'm going to screw the can crusher onto the top piece of wood. Just want to drill some pilot holes for the screws. And now I'm just going to attach the base to the top section. So I'm just going to screw these screws through until they just come out just a little bit from the base section. I'll put all 4 screws in. And now just drive those screws home. So now I'll just line up the can crusher and place in the 4 screws to hold that in place. So you just place the can in, indent the side of the can just a little bit, pull the handle down to crush. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.